Oh, not much to report today. I finished welding up the patch that I started last night along here. I think it turned out okay. It's kind of hard to tell from this angle, but it's got a bit of a contour down this way, dips in a little bit. We'll use Bondo. Similarly, I did a little bit different on the last piece. I kept welding and grinding, and it's got way more dips and bends in it. Whereas this one, I only did the one row spot welds along, and you can see that I left some stuff here. But I'm thinking that's below what the surface should be. So I'm thinking rather than filling that up with welds, I'll just clean it out well with a wire brush and acetone, etc. like that, and clean it up. And then I'll just use Bondo. It's not really deep. It looks weird, but it's not that deep. And I think a small skim of Bondo will clean that up. It'll make it nice and smooth. And again, this is underneath the windshield molding, so I don't think it matters a whole lot. And it's good practice for me. I'm welding in a place that isn't going to be seen by anybody unless they're changing the windshield or help me install the windshield or the person who's painting it. Regardless, day-to-day driving, this is not going to hurt anybody. No. Otherwise, I think it's okay. I'm pretty happy with it. So next we'll move on to fixing the rust holes on this side. We'll probably do a flange from here to at least maybe longer. There's holes all the way. I may come all the way to here. I don't like that. It's not too deep, that pitted rust there, but I don't know. I'm gonna take a closer look at it. I'm getting closer to doing the dreaded corner there. I'm not looking forward to that one, as I've said before. But what else did I do tonight? I cleaned up the windshield. Like, I had the windshield out, but there was some urethane around the edges. I guess the windshield's been replaced. Obviously, there's no typically the manufactured windshields have a stamp in the corner, says General Motors or the windshield manufacturer. This one has no markings on it whatsoever, so it's probably been replaced at some point in time, and somebody installed a little bit of urethane. So I just clean up the edges. The glass is good, and I'm probably going to reinstall it. So I clean it up and I put it in storage inside my house, someplace safer. Here in the shop, sparks fly and they, leaves dents in the little pits and glass and stuff like that. So I want to put it someplace safe. But today's Friday night. I didn't get as much done as I was hoping. I had to do a lot of personal running around and stuff, and I worked on my sandblast cabinet a little bit. But yeah, tomorrow's another day, and it's Saturday, so we got a full day of doing truck restoration stuff. So anyways, have a good night. We'll talk to you tomorrow.